tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Slow down, Penelope. Well, it's so bit freezing. So which you see po, makikita nyo po yan po ang aming building. Then yan po ang swimming pool. Pero walang swimming dahil suppose malamig na ang sitwasyon.
Can you help us guard this for a second?
Huh?
Can you help us keep this for a second? I need to find them.
Who?
Shona and Lily.
You come la, you bring it here. You bring it here. Where's your Auntie Charlotte? Kanina pa kayo?
If it's cool.
Ayun, nakasmiley ang cardigan. Matagal na ako dito nalabas. Ngayon mo lang...
Hindi kasi, kala ko siya siya. Hindi mo kasama.
Hindi, kasama ko alaga ko lang. Hindi ako pwedeng bumaba ng walang alaga.
Kanina pa kasi dito si Charlotte.
Ay, hindi ka talagang kalaro niya sila, kaso nauuna lang sila. Malamig ngayon.